Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrook from MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out here checking out this beautiful 2026 Sea Ray SLX 260 outboard. You can see we got it in the stunning white with that kingfisher teal accent stripe. You guys climb aboard, let me show you what this boat's got to offer. All right, welcome aboard the SLX 260, guys. So starting way back here in the transom, you can see we do have a sea deck flooring that covers the entirety of the swim platform. And right back here is that stunning white 400 horsepower Mercury Verado outboard. And then right in front of that, you do have a nice solid tow bar, so with plenty of power with you, so you can go out, pull a tube, pull a skier, have a good time while you're out here on this SLX. As I walk into the cockpit, I'll show you, you have a nice big sun pad right here. It's a good spot to lay out and get some sun. And then if you want to take advantage of that extendable bimini, you can get some shade back there. As I walk in, we'll show you a couple of the storage spots that you have on board here. So nice on the starboard side, and then because this is the outboard version of the SLX 260, you've got this massive storage caddy in what would be the engine compartment on the IO version. You do have another storage compartment over here. You can see us utilizing it now. Huge compartment to store skis, toys, anything else you need. And then another big compartment right here in the middle of the floor. While we're in the cockpit, you can see we're getting plenty of shade from this massive bimini top canvas. And then this tower will fold down with just the click of the button right here, and it will cascade to right above the windshield. Up here, you've got matching swivel captain's chairs, both with bolsters to flip up and kind of bring your line of sight above the windshield there. If you take a quick look at the helm, you'll get our Mercury digital throttle, some individual switches for your controls on board, your Linko trim tab system, and a dual SIMRAD display right in front of the steering wheel there. Over here on the port side, you do have a full head. So the toilet's in there with a sink. Very nice luxury to have on board while you're out on the water, especially if it's a long day out there. And then as I walk up, I want to show you guys that sea deck flooring continues throughout the entirety of this boat. So bow to stern, you're going to have that sea deck flooring. Super easy to clean, absorbent, doesn't get slippery or anything like that. I'll show you this compartment behind the helm. You got a hideaway trash can, that's also where your ignition switches are. And then over here on the starboard side is your wind dam door. So if you're using this boat on a chilly day, you can close this wind dam door and the windshield, and that way you're blocking all the wind coming into the cockpit so you can be comfy in there. Now up here in the bow, you got two loungers on either side with the flip down armrest. And then just to give you an idea of size, I'm about 6'3", and I can stretch out a good bit up here, so you could easily fit several people up here in this bow. Also up here underneath both of these loungers is going to be nice big storage compartments. And then if you take a look up here at the very front of the bow, you'll see your windlass anchor is hanging right off the front where you've got controls at the helm or the remote right there. And then right here is a bow sprayer. You also have one of those back at the transom. You'll notice some holes up here also. That is going to allow you to use your mesh bow shade up here. So that kind of blocks out some of the sun, makes it more comfortable up here when you got the boat anchored out. If you guys want to check this boat out or you have any questions about it, you can give us a call at 803-831-2101. You can ask for me, Blake Holbrook.